The new 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport brings new tech and off-road capabilities to the midsize SUV segment. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a closer look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, and then select Honda. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Honda Passport is a popular choice for families that need a spacious and capable SUV that is also fun to drive. And now for 2026, the all-new Passport TrailSport is available in two separate trims, the standard TrailSport and the fully loaded TrailSport Elite. Under the hood of every TrailSport is a newly updated 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces a peak 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that powers all four wheels through Honda's advanced iVTM4 all-wheel drive system. EPA rates economy at 18 miles to the gallon in town and 23 on the highway. iVTM4 can send up to 70% of available torque to the rear wheels, and up to 100% of that to an individual rear wheel for amazing road and trail performance. Unlike many other trail-ready SUVs, the Passport TrailSport is a unibody design with independent suspension on all four corners, making this one of the easiest mid-size vehicles you can drive today. The TrailSport is loaded with off-road focused features, recovery hooks on the front and rear, general grabber all-terrain tires wrapped around rugged 18-inch alloy wheels, underbody protection, and a new Trail Logic system to optimize grip even in the harshest of conditions. Upper trims also get a surround view camera with an amazing trail view system. Ground clearance is 8.3 inches. In the back of the Passport is plenty of room for kids gear or camping equipment. 44 cubic feet behind the second row. Fold all seats flat for up to 83.5 cubic feet overall. It also comes with convenient bins on the side, extra storage under the floor, and a spare tire. You also get an available 400-watt AC power socket back here. On the road, the Passport TrailSport is fun to drive with plenty of power and a long list of standard active safety features. Visibility is excellent. The second row is spacious enough even for adults. Passengers get vents, seat warming, and their own climate controls. Up front, the seats are extra comfortable with both heat and available cooling. There's also an all-new infotainment system here, with deep Google integration for both maps and connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The gauge cluster has also gone fully digital, with a fully customizable display that gives you all the information at a glance. When the road ends, the real fun begins. The Passport TrailSport can handle steep inclines, big dips, obstacles, and a lot more. The new Trail Logic system pushes power to the wheels that need it, allowing for impressive off-road capability that previously you could only get on large and lumberous body-on-frame SUVs. And for those rare times when you do run out of clearance, the standard underbody protection will help keep rocks and branches from ending the adventure. The new 2026 Honda Passport is a significant upgrade with a long list of standard and optional features that will bring you and your family more comfort and adventure. To learn more about the 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport, visit your local AutoNation Honda dealer today. Get started at AutoNation.com.